Welcome, friends, to Mathematics Lovers Club. Nice to see you once again here. I'm very happy that all of you are taking a lot of interest in the tactics in Vedic mathematics, which help you to do the calculations quickly without depending on the technology. Today, we have our one student, Vicky, with us, and he said he wants to ask some doubt to me. So let us see what are his doubts. Hello, Vicky. Welcome to Mathematics Lovers Club. Hello, sir. Thanks a lot. I'm going to appear for a competitive exam for university selection. This exam is a non-calculator type exam. I went through some of the past papers and material of this exam, and I saw that in many places I have to do the calculations like finding the square root, cube root, and so on. And I'm getting confused how to do this quickly because for square root as well as cube root, I know that you find the prime factors of the number, and for square root, you make the groups of two. But obviously, that takes a lot of time, and this much time is not available in exam. So, please let me know whether there is a shorter way or a tactic in Vedic mathematics to find the square root. Yes, Vicky, what you said is true. You can't waste so much time in a competitive exam where the calculator is not allowed. So you should know some tactics or the shorter way. I have already taken some classes on square root, tactics of square root. But for you, I will take that tactic again. I will teach you again. So I will share my board and show you the method. So Vicky, here there is the first problem for you. I will show you how to find out the square root of 9604. Now, keep one thing in mind that square root is the inverse operation of square. Square is power 2, and hence we are going to make the group of two twos of this number starting from right. So one group will be 04 and the other group is 96. Now what you do is think of the digits from 1 to 9, which when you square get units place 4. And obviously, if you see, when you square 2, 2 square is 4, as well as when you square 8, 8 square is 64. So both these give you 4 on the units place. And hence, the two possibilities of the square root are either the units place is 2 or the units place is 8. Now, I have to think of the next place. So I will consider the next group 96. Now what you do is think of two squares, perfect squares, between which 96 lines. And as you know, 96 lies between 9 square 81 and 10 square 100. Okay, but obviously 10 is not possible. If I fill this place with 10, 102, or 108, the square of both these numbers will be greater than 9604. So that possibility is gone here. Hence, either the square root can be 92 or 98. Now I have to select the proper one out of this. So what I will do is, I will multiply 9 with 10. 9 tens are 90. And I will compare the second partition number with this product. Now 96, that is second partition number, it's greater than 90. Okay, I'm comparing the second partition number with the product of two numbers, 9 square and 10 square. So 96 lies between 9 and 10. So I'm taking the product of 9 and 10 and I'm comparing the second partition number with this product 90. Now since 96 is greater than 90, I'll select the bigger option out of the two, that is 98. And hence, the square root of 9604 should be 98 and not 92. So Vicky, I wish these steps are becoming clear with you. So I will give you one problem to solve. Yes, sir. This is a very easy, interesting, and simple tactic without wasting the time. I can easily find out the square root by using this tactic. So please give me one problem. I will try it myself and then you can please check my solution. Yes, Vicky. So here there is a problem for you. Try to find out the square root of 3136. So I am giving you 2 minutes to do this and then you can show me the solution on the board which we'll go through. Yes, sir. I have completed my problem. I'm sharing my solution with you. So please let me know if the steps are okay. So what I've done is this number 3136. I made the groups of 2 2 starting from the right and I considered two single digits which when I square I get 6 on the units place. So one is 4 square, that is 16, and other is 6 square, that is 36. That means the units place of the square root should have either 4 or 6. And I have to find out the possible second digit. For that, I have considered the second partition number 31, and 31 lies between 5 square, 25, and 6 square, 36. But 6 is not possible because 64 square and 66 square both will be greater than 3136. So the second place should be 5. That means the square root should be either 54 or 56. And I have to select the proper one of the two answers. For that, I have considered the second partition number 31, and 31 lies between 5 square 25 and 6 square 36. So what I had done is I've taken the, sorry sir, I'm doing this here again. So I have taken the product 5 into 6, that is 30. Okay, and then I compare this product 30 with the second partition number 31. So 31 is greater than 30. And hence, since I'm getting the greater than sign here, I'll select the bigger one of the two options, that is 56. And hence, square root of 3136 is 56. So, sir, please let me know whether these steps are correct. Yes, Vicky, your all steps are correct, but only one thing is you have to be confident. Unnecessary, don't repeat your steps and waste the time. So now I'm going to give you some problems for practice. And then, as I already told you, once you finish this, you can take your own examples and try to do your own problems and check your answers. So the first one for practice I'm giving you is square root of 6561, and that should give you the answer 81. The second problem, try to find out the square root of 9409, and the answer is 97 here. So try these two problems, and you can even make your own problems and try by this method. So let me know whether you are getting the correct answers. So see you in the next class. Thank you, sir. And what you say is really correct. I have to be more confident. Obviously, your these tactics, shorter ways, give me a lot of confidence, and I'm going on practicing so that my confidence will be more developed. Thanks a lot for your all guidance, sir. See you soon with some new tactics.